Hey everybody, welcome to this A2 English listening practice video. You can use this video to practice your listening. You can practice your comprehension as I speak. Are you ready? So, today I am going to talk about adopting a pet. I really love animals. Actually, I think animals make the best friends. Many people have pets. Some people have dogs. Some people have cats. Other people have birds or fish. Do you have a pet at home? Well, I want to talk about adopting a pet. You can buy a pet from a store, but I do not like to buy pets. I prefer to adopt a pet. Adopting a pet is a great thing to do. You go to an animal shelter to adopt a pet. An animal shelter is a place for animals without homes. These animals need a good home. They need a family. So you can go to the animal shelter and adopt them. Let me tell you about my dog. I have a dog named Max. Max is a very good dog. He is a big dog. He is black and white. I did not buy Max. I adopted Max. I adopted him from the animal shelter. I remember the day I adopted him. I went to the animal shelter on a Saturday. There were many dogs at the shelter. There were small dogs. There were big dogs. Some dogs were loud. Some dogs were quiet. I looked at all the dogs. Then I saw Max. Max was very quiet. He looked at me with big brown eyes. I knew I wanted to adopt him. So I adopted him that day. Taking Max home was very exciting, but it was also a little scary. When you adopt a pet, the first day is very important. The pet is in a new place. Max was nervous on the first day. He walked around my house slowly. He smelled everything. He smelled the sofa. He smelled the bed. He even smelled my shoes. I bought a lot of things for Max. I bought dog food. Dogs need good food to be healthy. So I bought expensive dog food. I also bought a bed for Max. It is a big, soft bed. I bought some toys, too. Dogs love to play with toys. Max loves his toys. His favorite toy is a red ball. He plays with the red ball every day. Having a dog is a lot of work. You have to do things every day. Let me tell you about our daily routine. Every morning, I wake up at 7 a.m. Max wakes up with me. He is always very happy in the morning. He wags his tail. He wants to eat breakfast. So, I give him his dog food. He eats his food very fast. He loves food. After breakfast, we go for a walk. Walking a dog is very important. Dogs need exercise. So, we walk in the park. We walk for 30 minutes. Max loves to walk in the park. He sniffs the trees. He looks at the birds. Sometimes we see other dogs. Max likes other dogs. He likes to play with them. In my country, many people have dogs. It is very common to see people walking their dogs. We have many dog parks. A dog park is a special park only for dogs. Dogs can run free in the dog park. They do not need a leash. Max loves the dog park. We go to the dog park every weekend. So, after our morning walk, I go to work. Max stays at home. He sleeps a lot when I am at work. Dogs sleep many hours a day. When I come home from work, Max is very happy to see me. He jumps up and down. We play with his red ball. Then we go for another walk. We walk in the evening. It is nice to walk in the evening. The weather is cool. Then it is time for dinner. I eat my dinner. Max eats his dinner. Max eats the same dog food every day, but he never gets tired of it. He always wants to eat. After dinner, we relax. We sit on the sofa. Max sits next to me. We watch TV together. Then we go to sleep. Max sleeps in his big, soft bed. Sometimes he sleeps on my bed. I let him sleep on my bed because he is clean. Actually, I had a pet when I was a child, too. When I was a child, I had a cat. My cat's name was Luna. Luna was a beautiful white cat. We did not adopt Luna from an animal shelter. We found Luna on the street. She was a very small kitten. She was hungry and cold. So we took her home. We gave her milk and food. She lived with us for many years. Cats are very different from dogs. Dogs have a lot of energy. Dogs want to play all the time. Cats are quiet. Cats like to sleep in the sun. Luna loved to sleep in the window. The sun was warm in the window. I did not walk my cat. You do not need to walk a cat. Cats stay inside the house. So, cats are easier than dogs. But I love dogs and cats. Both make great pets. My best friend also has a pet. My best friend adopted a cat last year. He went to the animal shelter to adopt a cat. He wanted a young cat. He found a small orange cat. He adopted the cat and took him home. His cat is very funny. The cat likes to play with paper. If you drop a piece of paper, the cat attacks it. My friend loves his cat very much. Adopting a pet changed his life. Adopting a pet changes your life. Animals bring a lot of happiness. When you are sad, a pet can make you happy. When you are lonely, a pet can sit with you. Max is my best friend. He is always happy to see me. I am very glad I adopted him. But adopting a pet is a big responsibility. You need time. You need money. Pets cost money. You have to buy food. You have to buy toys. You have to pay the animal doctor. The animal doctor is called a vet. If your pet is sick, you must go to the vet. The vet can be expensive. Max goes to the vet once a year. He gets a checkup. The vet looks at his eyes. The vet looks at his teeth. The vet listens to his heart. Last year, Max had a problem with his ear. His ear was red. He scratched his ear a lot, so we went to the vet. The vet gave me medicine for Max. The medicine cost $40. I put the medicine in his ear for 1 week. Then he was better. So you must have money to adopt a pet. Some people adopt older pets. Most people want young pets. They want puppies or kittens. Puppies and kittens are very cute. But older pets are wonderful too. Older pets are calm. They do not have too much energy. They already know how to be good pets. In the animal shelter, it is hard for older pets. People do not want to adopt them. I think adopting an older pet is a beautiful thing. Have you ever visited an animal shelter? It can be a sad place. There are so many animals. They all want to go home. They look at you through the doors. But it is also a happy place. It is happy because people go there to adopt. When a family adopts a pet, the shelter workers are very happy. They take a picture of the pet with the new family. We can help animal shelters in many ways. If you cannot adopt a pet, you can still help. You can give money to the shelter. The shelter uses the money to buy food. They use the money to pay for the vet. You can also give your time. You can volunteer. Volunteers go to the shelter and help. They clean the floors. They walk the dogs. They play with the cats. I volunteer at my local shelter sometimes. I go there on Sunday mornings. I walk the big dogs. The big dogs are very strong. They pull on the leash. But they are very happy to go outside. They need to smell the fresh air. Volunteering is a good way to help animals. Do you like to volunteer? Let's talk more about pet food. Feeding your pet right is very important. I told you I buy expensive dog food. That is because cheap food is sometimes bad. Cheap food has bad things in it. Dogs can get sick from bad food. I always read the label on the food. I want meat to be the first ingredient. Dogs need meat. Cats need meat too. Actually, cats need more meat than dogs. Some people cook food for their pets. My neighbor cooks for her dog. She cooks chicken and rice. She boils the chicken in water. She cooks the rice. She mixes them together. Her dog loves chicken and rice. I do not cook for Max. I do not have time to cook for him. So I buy dry dog food from the store. It is fast and easy. I also give Max treats. A treat is a special small food. I give him a treat when he is a good boy. When I tell him to sit, he sits. Then I give him a treat. He learns tricks because he wants a treat. Dogs are very smart. You can teach them many things. Max knows how to sit. He knows how to stay. He knows how to give me his paw. I say, "Give me your paw, Max," and he lifts his foot. It is very cute. Training a dog takes patience. You must do the same thing many times. You must repeat the words. You must give many treats. Some dogs learn fast. Some dogs learn slow. Max learns at a medium speed, but he always tries his best. I take Max with me to many places. In my city, pets are welcome in many stores. I can take Max to the hardware store. The people at the hardware store like him. They give him treats. I can take Max to outdoor restaurants. We sit outside. I drink coffee. Max sits under the table. People walk by and smile at him. Sometimes they ask to pet him. I always say yes. Max loves people. He loves to be petted. Traveling with a pet can be difficult. If I go on a vacation, I cannot always take Max. If I fly on an airplane, Max cannot come. He is too big. Small dogs can fly on airplanes. They go under the seat. But big dogs cannot. So, when I go on a long trip, my sister watches Max. My sister has a house with a big garden. Max loves my sister's garden. He runs fast in the grass. He is happy there. But I miss him when I travel. I always want to come home to him. When I open the door, he is there. Adopting a pet means you are never truly alone. So, we talked a lot about pets today. We talked about adopting a pet. We talked about animal shelters. We talked about dogs and cats. We also talked about food and daily routines. Having a pet is a beautiful journey. It is a lot of work, but it brings a lot of joy. Do you think you will adopt a pet in the future? Do you prefer dogs or cats? What would you name your pet? Okay, we are finished with our listening practice for today. I hope you understood most of the words. I hope you liked learning about adopting a pet. Leave a comment below and tell me about your favorite animal. I will see you in the next video.